In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new report for clients in QuickBooks Accountant using the Custom Reports feature and selecting the report type. First, open QuickBooks Accountant on your desktop and sign in. From the main dashboard, look to the left navigation. Under Your Practice, click Clients. This takes you to your client list so you can choose exactly whose books you want to work with. Select the client you want to create a report for, and QuickBooks will load their client overview. Inside the client's overview, go to the left menu again. Under your books, click Reports. This opens the reporting center for that specific client, where you can access standard reports and build custom ones tailored to what they need. At the top, click Custom Reports, then choose New Report. Think of this as your blank canvas, where you decide which data to include and how it should look. Next, pick a report type that matches your goal. Choose Blank if you want to start completely from scratch. Select Invoice to focus on invoice data. Expenses will center on expense transactions, while Sales highlights sales activity. Bills narrows in on vendor bills. Journal Entry lists journal entries. Banking Transactions pulls bank account activity. And Transactions list gives you a broad list of all transactions. If you're unsure, start with the closest match and you can still refine it. Apply filters to zero in on the right data. Set your date range, such as this month, last quarter, year to date, or a custom range. Filter by accounts to include only relevant ledgers, and narrow further by customers, vendors, or other criteria as needed. Good filtering keeps the report concise and meaningful. Customize the layout so it's easy to read. Add or remove columns to show just the fields your client cares about. Reorder columns to tell a clearer story, and choose sorting and grouping to cluster information by account, customer, date, or any key dimension. Clean structure reduces questions later. Preview the report to confirm it displays the correct data. Scan totals, spot check a few transactions, and make sure the time period and filters are right. When it looks good, click Save. Give the report a clear name your team and the client will understand, and it will be available for future use. If needed, click Export or Print to share the report with your client. That's how you create a new report for clients in QuickBooks Accountant using custom reports and selecting the report type. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.